Welcome to Howtopedia. In this video, we'll be making a mouth-watering chocolate parfait that's sure to satisfy your sweet cravings. So let's dive right in. First, let's make chocolate custard. Begin by taking half a liter of milk. Reserve 2 tablespoons and add the custard powder to it, dissolving it thoroughly. If needed, add more milk to achieve a smooth consistency. Set this aside. You can use your favorite custard mix for this. I opted for the Rosemore chocolate custard packet. Now in the remaining milk, add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Once the sugar is completely dissolved, add the chocolate custard mix. Remember to keep stirring while adding the mix. Allow it to thicken and then let it cool down for a while. While our chocolate custard cools, we'll prepare other layers for our parfait. So I had some leftover chocolate cake which I crumbled into pieces. This will be our first layer, so I will spread it evenly in the bowl. Then I'm adding the prepared chocolate custard over the cake layer. Refrigerate it for an hour to let it cool down. While it is setting, let's prepare for some more layers. Take around 45 grams of chocolate and add a tablespoon of milk to it. Melt it in the microwave or using a double boiler. Mix it so that we get a smooth chocolate syrup. Next we will take some chilled whipping cream. Whip the cream until soft peaks form. I took a 250 ml packet of it, so I'll save half of this for another delicious parfait, which you can find in the link above. You can adjust the quantity according to your liking. Now gently fold the melted chocolate into the whipped cream to create a heavenly chocolate cream. Next, we will take some Oreo biscuits and crush them. Let's bring our parfait out now from the refrigerator. Add a layer of crushed Oreo biscuits over the set custard. Generously layer on the chocolate whipped cream. You can adjust the layers according to your liking. Decorate the parfait however you like. Finally, refrigerate your masterpiece for 3 to 4 hours to let all the flavors melt together. And there you have it, our delectable chocolate parfait is ready to enjoy. Let us know in the comments below if you liked it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering creations. Thanks for watching.